tekamu ya drone bachimba mbyogera so kolabe video tumali tuyongereyo.
Thank you. So I want to go slowly. One, I after I have spoken, then you will decide what we should do. Number one, Museveni says he has apologized to the Baganda. He behaves as if that is the only part of the country he offended. Museveni burned a full train of human beings. Set a train on fire. Yes, in Teso, in Mukura. Set a train on fire and killed people in a bus. I mean in a train. There is a university in Teso called Suruti University. Directly opposite that university, there is a swamp. Almost 1,000 people were killed by the Banyarwanda who came to help him and were all thrown in a swamp in front of that university. The children of Karamoja, you had me, let me repeat it. Almost 1,000 people were collected from different areas of Teso and were dumped in a place called Apaltunga. Apaltunga, actually, if you translate it, it means we have given up because they have taken our people to kill. Banyarwanda killed people there. They came and stole our cows. Someone comes that he's taking care of a cow. Even a calf, when it's born, a Munyarwanda will go and dig a hole, bury half of the body of the calf and leave the head up. After 3 days, they will pull it out and the calf will have changed color. And then they take it and own it. The children of Karamoja, today they are the ones begging for food because they are malnourished. When their parents had cows, everybody would laugh at those children and he chases them away. He chases them away, burns their houses, takes their parents to prison, and then the children are left there to die of hunger. Then it is Kayanja who will now show up saying he's feeding those children. But what are they excavating from their land? Gold. And the area remains poor. I don't know where to start from. So as we speak right now, since Museveni has asked for forgiveness, let him remove his convoy, let him remove all the people, let him come to Teso and say, okay, I am the one you've forgiven. Then we will see. Actually, Ajemu Butala, so that we know that he needs forgiveness. Yesterday I was in prison. A woman kept crying. She says, they picked me and my husband because they wanted to take away my land. She's rotting in prison without an announcement. She had 7 children. She doesn't know where they are.
She's in which prison?
In Luzira Women's Prison, and the husband is on the other side. She doesn't know where her children are. She doesn't know whether they are alive or dead. She just left. They took her away and left them there. And this is a man you think we're supposed to forgive. So, allow me speak in the language. Ikatunga, iteso. Ara ilo likono na iya likono na iyi. Ejebonenbe la subani sitimitunga. Konye aare twenilo aare tunga lepu. Aare twenilo aare tunga alemana sonsini akokwa lipo kitunga anyuto sitini chano prison ejasangoro prison ejasikili ko prison edwe loki boyeto prison. Pastor, you know what hurts me so much? I had someone deliberating earlier. Nagamba, abana be Karamoja bali mukubo. Do you know how painful it is for you to know that a Karamojong child...
Embeera Museveni gyalimu alinga ng'omusajja eyatulugunyanga mukyala we. Nga talekayo kameeza waka, omukyala agenda n'akola obusente omusajja n'abumuggyako, ng'omusajja akomawo atamidde n'akuba n'asamba n'ajooga. Omukyala n'anoba, omukyala n'afuna omusajja omuto. Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Kati Museveni ali mu bansonyiwe. Leka nkubuulireko ekintu ekyasiranya gemu ya Museveni n'olugero lwe lwonna okusiraana kyali ekintu kimu busosoze kubeera racist. Ebintu ebyo teriyo muntu ayina magezi nga musosoze oyo taliyo. Teriyo muntu agenda kufuna mirembe nga musosoze oyo naye taliyo. Omuzungu oyo omulaba, omuzungu asobola okulaba muntu munne n'amuboola n'amutunuulira nga amulabanga kyonziira ate n'akulaga nti ate ayagala nnyembwa naye nga bw'afuna kizibu ate bantu banne be bamuyamba. Ekyo kibayita mento bakiyita mento ki bwe busiro bw'enkukunala abantu abamu bwe bayina. Museveni abadde ne chance etereeza olugero lwe. Museveni abadde ne chance ezimba olugero. Omanyire kankubuulire wano mu bulamu ffenna mwe tuli mu nsi naye buli omu anoonya chance wazimbira olugero lwe. Bw'oba oyina amagezi chance eyo n'ogifuna osobola ozimba olugero lwe olulungi. Kati Museveni anoonya engeri gy'atereezaamu olugero lwe egaanye. Olugero lwe luwunzikira mu downfall, luwunzikira mu kugwa ate mu bubi mu kubeera awo nga tewaliwo kalungi ke bakujjukirako kwe kugenda ne bakusiibula ne bagamba bannange todda ne bakukasukira n'ebibyo byonna. Ekyo nkubuulira yaleetera abantu bonna abamufaanana okufuna obuzibu ng'agenze. Ekyo nkubuulira ate ng'agenda Yoshua. Kati gwe monna Uganda ali mu bintu bino njagala okitegeere. Tulina okusooka okwejjamu endowooza, engeri, enkola za Museveni zonna obusosoze bwe kituuka